Hi, guys, it's Dean, and welcome to Dean's Den. Today, what I'd like to do is talk about the detailing community. Now, Levi Gates just announced yesterday that he is leaving the ride company, and I actually had the privilege of having a back and forth with Levi on the Detail Solutions podcast. And he is a wonderful person, and I've actually met Anthony Fisher and Dane Hennon at the meet and greet in Romeoville, Illinois. Now, these guys are fantastic people. And this spearheaded this thought that I had that, you know what, we need to address uh, what the detailing community is and how it actually works. Now, the detailing community is all of us, okay? Everybody that is in a group, everybody that reaches out for help, everybody that posts a YouTube video, anybody that has anything to do with detailing that's been on the internet and had any kind of conversation with another detailer, guess what? You are in the detailing community and we're all one family. Now, the best thing for all of us to do is move forward together from this day on and be supportive of each other and help each other and be there for each other. Because the minute uh, anybody puts out anything negative about any individual, it hurts all of us, not just the one person. Okay. And it really has to stop because uh, we're trying to move forward. We're trying to uh, deal with all the challenges that are coming forward for detailing. Okay, the prices have gone up for our products. The prices have gone up for our tools, and that's no fault of the manufacturer. What is going on is the shipping costs, the economy, everything has gone up. Okay, and for us to continue to compete in a positive manner and validate what we do and get customers to pay a higher price for getting phenomenal professional work done, okay, we need all the help we can get. And being negative and trying to tear down one individual here or over there is not helping anybody at all. Now, I'm going to put it right out there. The internet itself has raised the bar for detailing tools and detailing products. Most of the products that are out there are phenomenal. They're very, very good quality. What we had 30 years ago was whatever you got on the shelf. Now, today, it's totally different. You can go on Amazon, you can go anywhere on the internet and find fantastic, good quality products. Now, if somebody in our detailing community who's done a lot of work comes out with their own line of product, the least we can do is be supportive and try it. And if that person has done a lot for you and supported you and got you customers and been there and shared information that's helped you, the best way you can pay them back is to support them. Okay. Even if it's just a friendly email or a friendly message telling them how much you enjoy their product, that's still supporting them. Okay. Tearing down people in a negative way hurts the entire detailing community as a whole. So from this day forward, we should all move forward and be very supportive of each other. Now, I hope that after watching this, that everybody will come out and support Levi with his new venture and continue to support the ride company, in any way, shape, or form that any of them need because they have done so much for the detailing community. Okay. And the reason a lot of our customers are paying us top dollar for our services is not just the services, it's the services we're able to provide with the equipment, with the knowledge, and the products that we received from these wonderful people that have put it out there, opened our eyes, and showed us a better way of doing detailing. Okay. I've learned a ton in the last 7 years. I've learned so much. Okay. I've been to SEMA. I've been to different venues. I've gone out. I've met detailers. I've learned a lot. And every time I meet a detailer, the one thing we all have in common is we're all trying to find a better way of doing things, and we're all striving to do the very best job that we possibly can. Okay. So please, I'm asking you that from now on that we just all move forward together and be supportive, be positive. And you know what? If you don't agree with somebody, you can always message them privately and be constructive in your criticism and let them know, well, you know what? I like what you did here, but I didn't like this. You know, be supportive. Don't take it out uh, with the intention of getting a viral video by trashing somebody, because the minute you go after one person, you're dismantling the entire detailing community as a whole, because we can't have fighting amongst ourselves. It just causes too much chaos and it does not benefit anyone at the end of the day. The best thing we can do is to all try and get along, try and move forward, and try and empower each other so that we can prove to our customers that as their costs go up and as we're charging our customers more, that the value of our services is increasing as well. Okay. And at the end of the day, don't forget the wonderful people that put detailing on the map. All right. Thank you very much for listening. And I hope you got something out of this. And to Dane and Anthony and Levi, the very, very best of luck moving forward. You guys are fantastic. And I can't thank you guys enough for all the contributions you've given to the detailing community. All right. Thank you guys and have a fantastic day.